All right, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Life in Eastern Sierra. Here in the morning to continue the work on the pizza shop, Main Street Pizza and Tap. And this morning, looks like there is a Porsche group in town. Check out all these Porsches. Cool. All right, we've been going on warp speed the last 10 days on this project. Let's go inside and show you the updates. All right, as you can see, we've got a bunch of work done. We've got our divider wall built with our double doors, separating the front of the house to the back of the house, the kitchen. Hopefully today we're going to stain all this to match the color of the bar, make everything blend together. The hood guys are doing their deal here. We have some duct work going in. Had to hoist that up. We got to weld some points today. Throw in some more stainless steel walls. These guys on that. And then after that, those guys should be pretty much done. They might be done, I would assume today's Wednesday. They'll be done by the end of the day, Friday, because the next part after that is doing the fire suppression install. I think that is a different company, but working under the same contractor. Excuse me. What else we got here? We got our dish machine delivered. We got to get that in. The plumbers should be back today working. Let's see, let's go through here. You can see everything's pushed out at the moment, but you'll get the idea. Yeah, all right, that looks cool. We got all that buttoned up, fire wrapped, all that going. Let's see. Back here in this mess, the plumbers are working on installing the water lines for this new sink, dish machine, the new hand washing sink, and the new produce washing sink. So that looks all in. That looks good. Next I have to run the drain line. That'll be interesting to see how that works. And what else? Let's see, we're moving forward. We have our ADA accessible bar top done. That's all repurposed. We basically moved it from the other end of the bar down to here. Excuse me, beefed it up, made it look stronger. Same thing, we're gonna have to stain this new wood we put on to match, make it flow nice and sturdy, because this bar top's heavy. All right, so moving forward, we get all this stuff cleaned up. We got a lot of little projects to do, but the goal for today is to get this wall stained. And then from there, we'll be able to start finishing up the minor stuff. We have some code base to run. That guy on the interior inside kitchen walls. And we got to strip this wallpaper out, paint all this out. Same thing at the top. We're gonna have to figure out something to go along with the top here where the wall starts above the metal wall that we're putting in. I don't know if I'm gonna cover it with something else or just strip the wallpaper and paint it. We'll see what we have time-wise and material-wise left over. But regardless, it's coming together. We got some cool video, and hopefully I'll be able to take some more today of these guys welding and cutting and doing their thing. So, all right, more to come. Okay, once again, through the magic of editing, we are back. The guys were extremely busy with the hood, as you can see. We've got where they're welding, the grease duct all welded. Looks great. We got the air makeup, which is this guy here, and all these little fancy ones together. That looks amazing. All in all, this is coming together. I'll be able to get stuff out of the way here, and the plumbers are currently working to get the gas line in. Let's go through here. Oh, I can't wait for this to be done in the kitchen where I need it and cleaned up. But yeah, as you can see, the plumbers hung the unistrut, the bracing that we're going to use to hold the 3/4 inch gas line together. What else? We got our walls in, our stainless steel all the way. We'll have to come up with something for the corner there. And then I still have to figure out what I'm gonna do for the top. If I'm gonna put wipeable walls on the top or if I'm just going to pull and paint. We'll see. I'm probably gonna go with wipeable walls, call it good. At any rate, things are coming together. It's looking beautiful. So we have to sweep all this up and put our cove base in. And then hopefully these guys the plumbers can run the piping and we'll be done with that for the gas. Call it good. But, all right. Moving along. We gotta do some more trim work. We gotta start staining. We gotta get this dish machine in place for the company to come out and hook that up. And yeah, we're moving along. It looks pretty chaotic, which it is, but it's gonna come together this week really quickly. All right, let's keep moving. Okay, a couple days later, we are back. We got our wall stained and sealed. Didn't come out as good as I wanted it to be. Different type of wood. But we're gonna put up a bunch of decorations or logos and stuff on this, and I'll still make it pop, and it pops. But it is what it is. Can't turn around now. So that's done. Next is peeking through the window here of this beautiful, beautiful nightmare. All right, let's go check it out. Plumbers have been here, plumbing away, and electrician. So we're coming down the stretch of the major stuff here. So let's take a look. We have our panel up that controls, everything flows into that, the gas, electric, the fire suppression system. So if there's an issue, it automatically goes off and it cuts off the electricity to this hood and the fans along with the propane. Due to the long run, we had to go through some serious heavy duty piping here. This is 1.5 inch gas line piping because we have something pretty long, like 80 feet from here to the meter. So we had to step it up. And what else? We're getting everything done here. We're getting everything hooked up. You guys are running. We got to get everything done. And hopefully by midday tomorrow, we can call for a test and inspection on all this propane flowing. So those guys are working hard. Electrician's doing his job. Everybody just left for today. The main hood stuff is done. They just got to seal some of the duct work. And then once that's all done, we have to test that, smoke test that thing. Oh, so this place has turned into a disaster. But probably by the end of the day tomorrow, I'll be able to push everything back and clean everything up in here. What else we got going on here? We have our dish machine area coming together. Our new machines here. We got everything plumbed here. We got our water going. We got our piping. These guys got it all in. Next thing we need to do is to run the electric. We have it. We got to hook the electric up. That's for the company to come out and do this, the Ecolab. They're going to hook everything up. And we're keeping everything loose right now so we know where it goes. We have to adjust it, like we got to adjust these feet on here to make this thing level because, of course, nothing in this building is level. Yeah, everything's coming together. Got to clean all this up. We got our dough maker here. Test that and make sure that's all good. We got to get some shelving hung tomorrow on this wall here and on the back extra 3-compartment sink area. There's going to be some shelving up here. What else? We just kind of finished this back of the bar here, put some more shelving up. We got back here, can't really tell, but back here is already cleaned up. Bathrooms are pretty much done. The only thing I'm waiting for is a couple paper towel dispensers for ADA. Get that done. I got to reverse this door so it opens outward for more space. And yeah, start cleaning this baby up here. It's a lot to do, a lot of little things, but we're coming down the stretch here. We got all the shelving here I have to build pretty easy. Have to put together a new push bar exit. What else? We got to get all this other plumbing stuff and unistrut out of here. We got to build some carts. Yeah, so a lot of little things to do. This whole place needs to be cleaned 10,000 times, all the dust and debris. But we're coming down the home stretch. Today is, what's today, Wednesday? Hopefully by the end of the day, Friday, the electrician's done. He's claiming he's gonna be done by the end of tomorrow. I'll believe it when I see it, but he's pretty darn good and pretty quick. Plumber, same thing. They think they'll be done tomorrow. I'm guessing everybody's gonna be done end day Friday. So once that's done, then I can call and get my rough inspections for all that come first thing Monday morning, push all these machines back. What else we have to do? Get rid of this wallpaper here. Up top, that old wallpaper up there, we got to get rid of, and we're going to put some wipeable walls on there, so I got to pick those up next. What else? Yeah, so a lot of little things, but she's getting there slowly but surely. It's slowly getting there. Hopefully we can have another good day tomorrow, get a lot of work done, and then I can have the cleaners come in and start really hammering this place, because it's going to take multiple cleans. And once we get that dish machine fired up, we'll be able to run a bunch of stuff through, you know, all these mats, everything like that. You know, a lot of stuff that the previous tenants didn't do. You know, we got to do a lot of touch-up painting this wall. We got some baseboards to do. What else? A lot of little things. But like I said, it'll come together. You know, we got to clean all this area back here, all the mop sink stuff. We got to get all these carts out of here into the walk-in, get the walk-in done. You know, we got to tidy up all this stuff here, wipeable walls, get some trim for that. And yeah, so it's coming. It'll be there. And I'll be able to breathe a great sigh of relief once we get this place open. So, all right, well, that's all for this video. Hopefully next video you'll see further progress. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me babble. And on to the next project here, and we'll get another video up as soon as we can, hopefully with further updates and greater news and closer to being done this project. All right, more to come.